you start this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Today we're doing a Nerf war. So it's, hey, don't shoot the camera. It's Trent and TJ right there versus the brothers.
So what's about TJ's gun is he can shoot 3 bullets out of
yeah,
it. If you get lives.
You have 3 lives. If you get shot by all 3 of those bullets,
You are none, so out.
yeah, see, I shot
That was
all
2.
3.
That was 2.
Oh.
The other one went over here.
Yeah.
That missed.
See? So he could shoot, he could hit you with 1, he could hit you with 0, 2, or 3. But James and Connor's base is my garage, and Trent and CJ's base is TJ's garage.
Why James and Connor go to their garage? Because they're not allowed to go in their garage.
Okay, so everyone go to your bases, and I'll tell you when you can go. And you're only allowed to change your gun once. Oh yeah, in headshots, if whoever shot them with how many bullets, that's how much life you lose. So TJ shoots someone in the head with 3 bullets. And if they get hurt, we take a knee to be respectful, and then TJ's out. Or it could be a different person who shoots him with 1 bullet. Are you guys in your bases? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, they're going fast. Ooh, seems like they're making a plan, guys. Okay. Ooh, Connor's approaching. Yeah, James is got his far range, so he could shoot probably. That was way too far. They're collecting ammo. Oh. Oh. Go, go, go.
You lost the shoes.
Take your shoes. You gotta choose. Take them in your base, TJ. Take them in your base. James, they could take your shoes and put them in their base and you could never get them. Guys, we don't know how much rounds we would do because we don't know how long they would take. Hopefully we could do 2 or 3 rounds because they're pretty long.
You can't shoot from in bases.
Yep. And you can't shoot in bases. If you hit them in bases on accident, it doesn't count. This is their base.
Yay.
Let's go. Get them. They're making a run for it. Okay. They just threw a football. What was that?
Oh, I got it. I hit him.
That did not hit you. I'm ref, and I'm also ref. So.
I love favors from refs. I love it. I don't.
Hey, do you want to be disqualified?
Being sarcastic.
You're reloading. Oh. Oh! Connie going in for the shot!
Get him!
Get him! DJ, you might be able to hit him with 1 bullet.
Kill him!
Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh!
And he was so, he did it. There's been it before, but it wasn't a YouTube video. And it was 3v2, and me and TJ were the 2 versus Parker, James and Connor, me and TJ won. So we're basically the ultimate team. We've never lost.
Yeah, but we'll see, because times are changing. We got a new gun in hand, so it might be worse to make them lose or better. I think it's helping them by a couple percent, because we at a time. I remember when guys, and I also remember when I always used to do Nerf wars with that, I always won. Because I shot people all the time with 3 bullets. I'm gonna go see them.
And if you switch your guns, You can switch back and forth between those guns.
Okay, do you guys think you're gonna win or lose?
I don't know. I'm missing my shots.
Are you feeling confident, Connor, about winning? I mean, all of you guys have 3 lives. And also, you
Gun jam.
gun jam, yeah. You guys are trapped.
Can't do anything. You're going.
And you're allowed to be puppy guard bases. That sucks. They're stuck.
Trent, you go over there on that side.
Next time we should make another Nerf video. Nerf gun battle extreme. There's only a time limit for 20 seconds in your base. That'd be extreme.
Trent!
Oh!
No, you were in your base.
You were in your base, Connor. You can't shoot.
Trent, go over there. I'm so scared.
Oh, James, just take a risk for it. Step out and shoot him.
Hi,
Oh,
Connor.
you're
You
almost out.
can't even shoot from in there.
Oh, this
Connor,
sucks.
shoot TJ.
And guys, just please, can you like and subscribe?
And this is the
On this video, we need to at least get to 10 likes.
No, 10,000.
Okay.
If we get 10,000 likes, we're gonna do the extreme. You better do it.
No.
You gotta hit it out. Hit it out.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to see an extreme one, give us 100 likes on this video.
I got
Oh, TJ! TJ has 2 lives left. They're going.
Let's rush.
They're retreating. Get TJ. TJ. TJ died. Yes.
No.
Yeah.
The double hit. I hate this gun, Parker.
Why?
This
Because
gun
she's 3.
sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Let's get rid of that. Give me that. Just switching to this.
Yeah, Connor wants that boy.
That gun sucks. I used it before.
Yeah, Connor used it in Nerf battles. Every time someone's ever used that in Nerf battles we used to play, always won.
Yeah, that's 1 kill for me, baby. Let's go.
Okay.
I lowered it.
Chet, you could pick up the gun Connor threw. Oh, I feel some rain, I think.
I feel wind.
Yeah, there's a lot of wind. Guys, look at that sky. That is so gray. Oh, it's so gray. If it starts raining in this video, I don't know what we're going to do.
Maybe garage tour.
Or we could do, like, a different game in the garage. Like,
Also, I'm dead anyway.
yeah, TJ's dead.
Maybe they're just going. It's too risky to
James,
go.
come here. I need to tell you something. James.
Whoa! Whoa, Rex!
James.
He was in.
You can't see a single word about this, TJ.
No, it's too obvious. Enough bullets on the board.
Okay, guys, this is the God spot that I shot TJ, and I think killed him. I was in here.
You shot me twice.
Oh yeah, I shot him twice, but still, I shot him twice because then the second they step out of their base. Oh, who was that who shot that bullet?
Okay.
You almost shot me in the face. Hey! Oh, I hit him! Yeah.
That was the next shot, though. No, that was a bad.
Trent has 2 lives, and both of them have 3. 3 boys, 2 boys. Oh,
3 bullets.
yes, both of them. I don't know who I'm rooting for. I don't know if I want to root for my brother or friends. Oh, that was close.
That wasn't my gun.
That almost hit you. That was so... Oh, yep, there's rain. There's rain.
My gun did not
There's rain.
Wait, no bullets in.
When you look at the sky, it just looks like a tornado. If a tornado does happen, hopefully...
Connor's gun is dead. Trent.
Oh!
It's right there. Okay, so.
Cutter, you need to push those bullets all the way down.
They are.
Yeah, because sometimes I miss that. Because those pressure things. Oh, you almost shot TJ, who's out.
You collect bullets?
Yeah, you can, remember?
Always do.
You could collect bullets and give it to anyone you want. Yep, for this wind, and I feel a couple drops of rain. Yep, I feel rain. I'm going to stay in the garage so the camera doesn't get wet. I mean, it can get wet. They're retreating to their base. I'm gonna go see what TJ's doing. What? I'm gonna go see what there's. Wait, Trent, do you feel confident about winning?
Yes, I kind of
Even though you have one. TJ, do you think your partner, do you think Trent will win this for you? Do you think
No.
you don't? You gotta be more confident, boy. Okay, I'm gonna go see what the James and Connor brother bros are doing. And guys, Luke, you've probably seen him in videos. If you haven't, go check out some videos with Luke in it. You need to see, because if you know who Luke is, he got a GoPro that we could use.
And it sucks.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it actually does. I was there when he used it.
I wasn't, so I don't know.
Where's James at? Where's James? TJ, no report. Where James is.
You can't tell. He went back to base.
TJ can still go in James and Connor's base, but they can't do anything. Oh! I'm gonna go see if I can see him. Oh, right there, in the back. I'm gonna go talk to James. Oh, he's. What happened to the grass? Oh, they filled up the hole. Connor, did he get you?
Yes. James, I hit Connor.
What?
I got one of Connor's feet.
What did you get? Can you
For
cut a
Connor's.
shell?
Connor, I have one of these.
It's like gun shells.
I have one.
Connor, he has them.
That's cheating. You can't be like
Oh, yeah, it's raining.
Parker said to stay here, but they're gonna make a play back there. I just know, but
Should we make it harder since this is taking forever? Only on TJ's property?
no.
Yes, yes, yes,
We
yes.
won't have a base.
Then they wouldn't
Oh, yeah.
have a base.
Only base or TJ's property we should do.
I feel like you should make a rule to when you can only stay in the base for 20 seconds.
That's the extreme.
We heard. If
that would be unfair. You guys would just rage at me.
Yeah.
That used to be a rule, you know.
Yeah, but we're gonna do an extreme version if we can get 100 likes.
You mean 100 subscribers too?
Probably not subscribers, likes. Because subscribers are for the whole channel, and likes are for just one video. He's pointing his gun. Hey, don't shoot me! Since it's raining, I can't get this wet, because it will ruin it.
And a bunch of bullets. We go over there. He's helping out a lot, and Connor's down 3 bullets
Yeah.
now. I mean, we have him to shells. You
Yeah.
see this orange right there? That holds 3 bullets. There's just 3 bullets at a time. And he got 3 of those now.
Ba.
Oh, Parker,
Oh.
look at the water bottle that me and TJ wrecked.
Oh, do you guys want to hear our fart noise? This thing right there, it farts. Ow. What you have to do is get a golf ball, put it in, and push it in,
Or hit it in.
and then it farts. See, it's a butt. It's not an actual butt, it's plastic, because it's a small butt.
That's an L.
So, but TJ got it for his birthday.
Connor, I know where you are. You can't really hide, you know.
I don't know where he is.
You retrieved the football bomb. You retrieved a bomb? Look what I got. Connor's over there at base.
He is?
Yeah.
Wow. I think we're only going to have enough for one round because this video is 14 minutes so far.
I knocked the bullet out your gun.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he did. Oh! James, your sandals are down, boy! Connor, James's sandals are in the base. Gotta get them, boys. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't think it's raining anymore. Yeah, I still feel a couple drops.
Yeah, because I only have one person. I would be out there if I had TJ still, but he was too much of a nitwit.
You camped the whole game. That's your
Okay, I'm not in. Hey, I'm not in right now, you know. No shooting.
Hey, you almost hit me.
I'm gonna go get some ladder.
Some ladder.
Connor was hit.
Oh, Connor has 2 lives left. So
One.
is Trent. Wait,
I hit him twice. And I got hit right there.
Connor has 1 life left.
Yeah, with the Trent's cheatiness.
How?
I can't believe he's using that gun. That gun sucks.
What? The gun that I'm using?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna stay on our base for the whole game. Come on.
Okay.
Hey, you hit me! I will take away 1 life.
I didn't mean to. I'm trying to Trent.
Well, think of
He hit me. If they stay on their base the whole time, then
I'm not gonna go over them because I only hear one person. And there's 2 of them, 1 me.
James, Connor! By the way, you're not allowed to stay in the base the whole time.
I'm not even in my base right now.
You were the base the most. That is so cheeky. Yeah. He goes out in. And we have to stay out in.
Hey.
When we get close to him,
You guys have done that before.
You guys have done that before.
Ba ba ba.
And I immediately start sweating as I come out here.
Ew! Okay, that was a little unnecessary.
Did I hit?
No, that hit you. James has 2 lives left. Connor has 1. I feel Trent's gonna win, even though it's only him versus both of them.
oh my gosh, he's in his base again.
Dude, you almost shot me in the head.
He's doing the power.
No, if you shoot the cameraman, you're disqualified.
He's 1 foot in, 1 foot out every time he shoots.
No, I don't. I'm not.
Yeah, Trent, if you do that, you can be disqualified.
I'm not like that.
Oh, you're aiming right at me.
Oh, I've
Oh.
got a thunder warning on this.
Guys, if it starts raining harder, then just like sacrifice your life or something. Or you could be risky. What?
I just threw tennis ball.
Oh, that's rude. You're rude.
Brett, you told him to get out of his base.
I'm out of my base. There we go.
If Brett wanted to shoot, you're gonna go
I
right.
didn't even throw that. That was TJ.
Hey, watch this. Watch this. Wait, get out of your base right there. Watch this, Brett. His foot in the air hit the bullet.
Trent, you have 1 life left.
How?
It hit you.
No, it didn't. I just get my base right here.
No, because you put your
Trent has 1 life left.
I just in my base that whole time.
yeah. No.
Oh yeah, so he has
I just in my base, Parker.
no camping.
I
You,
got out like this, and then I went back in.
No.
Trent, if you stay in your base a lot longer, a little bit longer, then
Miss. Sorry, you're being risky. So bad.
Bullets.
what the flip?
No,
Yeah, hit Connor.
no, that didn't.
Yes, that.
It went like this.
Connor's out. It's Trent versus James.
That's cheating.
Trent versus James. It's a shootout.
I was.
It's just how James is shootout. I play shootout a lot, you know that? You have to be aiming his base. You have to be aiming at me to shoot, you know.
I am.
It's shootout.
Trent, we might turn this to a 1v1. At the end of the video, we're gonna see any mistakes, and in our next video, we're gonna tell you what actually.
I have 0 bullets in my gun, so I kind of have to be in here.
Yeah, Trent, get fully reloaded with all the million bullets you got.
Yeah, well, TJ's my good retriever, and he's done this good for me. I got you 2 guns.
Hey, 2 guns.
What are you doing with the gun?
I'm putting the thing back. So we have 3 things. I know.
I I have 2 lives until this.
Okay, guys. Sorry, I was just taking it out. Okay.
I really don't know what to do right now. I just want to have it, then he's gonna get me. I like camping.
What?
I like camping.
Well, you're not allowed to.
Yeah, well, no, because I'm out of my base.
I might have to just turn this to no bases. No! You're cheating, Chandler.
I'm not even in my base right now.
You're out, and then when he shoots the bullet, you go in, and then game, and they're still in your base.
James has 1 more life than you.
James has all 3 lives.
No, I shot you once.
He has 2.
Yeah, he has 2. You have 1. I do not have 1.
Yes, you do.
That bolt right there didn't hit me.
Yeah, but Parker
took 1 away. Why?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you killed me. When I actually didn't get hit. At the end of the game, we're gonna check the whole video, and then the next video we're gonna say who actually won, and that's
No,
Or
we're
we
gonna
like
say
to
who wins in this video.
yeah, and then we're gonna go check on the cameras and actually see who actually won.
Oh.
So if CJ did not get hit 2 times, and I mean if CJ did not get hit 3 times, then we're gonna check whoever so we're gonna go
Okay,
check.
guys, it's gonna be no bases now because the video's been 21 minutes.
Okay.
3.
Hurt?
Everyone, go.
That gun hurt. He take part. Is that gun hurt?
No.
That gun, no.
It's a baby.
Why does he have to reload?
If you reload, you're allowed to go in bases. Oh.
Run.
Get him, get him, get him.
You can only count a base. James, you can only
Got him.
if you're reloading in it. I'm not saying.
Both of them have 1 life.
Both of them have 1 life.
This is very risky. Both have 1 life.
Yeah.
I hit you.
At the end of the video, we're gonna go check.
That hit James' back, Parker.
Yeah, James, no complaining that hit you.
That hit your back.
At the end of the video, we're gonna go check on the video. And
1 life to 1 life.
Stop. At the end of the video, we're gonna check who actually lost their lives. And then if people did actually
got
lose their
you.
lives,
I
we
did
might
not.
continue
I-
with a different video.
It was a miss. Oh, no, you were. Wait, that hit him. No, it didn't.
No.
The bullet bounced over there. The bullet bounced over there.
Trey, go get him. I want to see some action.
I don't have any bullets.
Get bullets. That gun sucks. You should have traded. Should have traded for this zombie gun, the zombie strike gun.
I'm loaded. Reloading. You can go in base only if you're reloading.
But I thought Parker clearly said no base.
Only if you're reloading.
Yeah.
You can use the base. You're not reloading.
Ow! That was so close.
Oh, that was a mess. Oh! The Arnold James, run! Run! Go, run! James is alone. James is the flag. He realized the win.
That's insane. James is reloading. Oh.
How do you feel about this?
I think that isn't fair that Parker can take lives away.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, because you can't camp. That's just cheating.
Yeah.
That's because I would have died anyway. I had 2 lives and there's 2 of you. Both at the same time.
Go attack.
No, friend.
Go attack. You can't be in base, remember?
Not in base.
Go attack.
No.
Go behind the bush. And then when he... Oh, too bad. If I was one of these people, I would have
I like
shot
this
them
coming
because
up with
both
this.
of these guys suck at Nerf wars. I would have won because...
I'm still trying to get this over with.
Building. Look at my pockets. A Lego new can make. Yeah.
Oh, that's some big thunder.
Oh, my bullet.
Hurry, make it in. There is some big thunder. Oh, the sky's kind of gone. It's the gray. Well, no, a little bit gray still. It's still raining. I don't know if you can see the rain, but... Reload again. Oh. Another bullet. What is this? Who drew this? Shop.
I need bullets.
Oh! Guys, I might have to sacrifice someone's life. Or try very hard. That was the biggest thunder.
Going sweaty. We all know that you're going sweaty, and we are sorry for that. But I just don't want to get out on this. I'm not just gonna stay.
Why are you still there?
Because I like it over here. I don't want to run over there. There's no hiding spots. Over
Giant
here.
bots!
Yeah,
Right there!
I should have just rapid fire. But most of my boats aren't shooting.
Because that gun's half broken. That's why you should switch.
I can't switch right now.
Yes, you can.
He's not
I
going
said I
over
can.
there until you get in there.
Okay.
Switch guns right now.
Daddy,
Then hurry up!
Should have something under the camera where we can move it around.
Umbrella.